I don't want to have to read the container to know what flavor I'm getting.
You want to be able to tell from the picture?
Oh, this is belly button s'mores. One of my favorite flavors is called motor oil, and it's like coffee, caramel, maybe some peanut butter.
Kyle, what do you think it's gonna make?
It's gonna make 469.
Nah, it's gonna make 463.
It's gonna make 475.
Well, I want to find out.
You got his name in?
Yeah, it's right on you, bud.
Right on the money. This didn't stop. Pretty fast.
What do you got there, Kyle?
We got 2 boxes of beef jerky and 2 cases of Monster.
Nice.
This lovely gentleman getting a stage 3. I always appreciate a good Monster and some good jerky. Thank you very much.
Kyle, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
I think that's a hard question. That's a real hard
It's
question.
an important question.
It changes, honestly. If I were to say, probably Rocky Road or chocolate chip cookie dough.
Favorite ice cream, huh?
Yeah. It's
What are you going
it's
with,
hard.
Eric?
It changes. Like sometimes
It's not hard for me.
Here we go. Vanilla.
My favorite of all time is Turkey Hill mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate.
Oh.
Chip. Well, or Rocky Road.
No other company makes it like that. It's the green ice cream with the like.
I know. Yeah, I know.
I like Breyers, but Breyers is like a white like ice cream with like their chips are real thick.
I like the ice cream they use. The ice cream's green.
Yeah,
like,
and the chips in it are like ultra thin to the point where you can't taste them. Like you can't feel them when you're chewing it.
Yeah, yeah.
But you can taste it. Oh, that's by far the best.
All right, Matt. What's your favorite ice cream?
So I haven't been able to find it in a while, but what the fuck's the one brand? What's the fancier brand?
Ben and Jerry's.
I like Ben and Jerry's.
No.
I like Blue Bunny a lot.
I don't get in with all the wild fucking. I don't want to have to fucking read the container to know what flavor I'm getting.
You want to be able to tell from the picture?
Oh, this is belly button s'mores.
This is
belly buttons.
I'm like, what the fuck? But if you can find it, my favorite flavor is French vanilla. It's different than regular vanilla.
Oh, okay.
Is that what you're saying, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever had it. Maybe.
Or that fucking Madagascar fucking French vanilla shit. So good.
Lauren just got.
If I'm eating, I do love vanilla ice cream, and if I'm eating it, it has to be vanilla bean.
True. Yeah, vanilla beans.
Amber got this vanilla last time, and it was old-fashioned vanilla. It was okay.
Did it have a yellow tint to it?
Yes.
See?
Yeah.
That's the shit right
Yeah.
there.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's
That
not
is
like
my
white,
shit.
Like you said, it's like the yellow.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
I prefer vanilla bean over that.
Yeah, that's what they call it. Either like old fashioned or French
It's called
style.
old-fashioned. Oh, so that's what you're talking about?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That shit with the yellow tint.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
It's
very
the-
good.
It's the shit with the yellow tint.
You can scoop that on a nice brownie.
That shit is
Perfectly
so
described.
fucking good.
Gosh, making me so hungry.
I love Moose Tracks growing up.
Moose Tracks is my dad's favorite. You know what I can never get into? Root beer floats.
Really?
Gross.
I like them.
Root beer floats? I can never get into them.
See, I don't mind.
It's so
I like
You
them.
like them, Matt?
so weird.
You want to hear what I did the other day?
I can't.
Hey, I get it. Do you like them?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. A good one from like A&W on the boardwalk.
Oh, my
forget
God.
about it.
Oh yeah.
They're legit.
Kyle, so fucking, like I said, she stopped and got these pints from this homemade ice cream place by me. One of my favorite flavors is called motor oil, and it's like coffee.
Oh, coffee ice cream is so fucking good.
It's coffee ice cream, caramel, maybe some peanut butter.
Oh.
Doesn't like to, look what's in his ice cream, but he likes motor oil. Fucking
I saw you were texting the group chat. The cam plate was on backwards.
See, no, I actually thought it was. Because you see on the side that goes towards facing engine, there's a gasket right there.
Mm-hmm.
And when I first looked at it, there's, you know, same thing because it's dark in there. And I was like, I guess put the cam panel backwards, but it's not on backwards. I don't know. I've never seen one with orange gasket material on the outside. It's just strange. So it wasn't on backwards. It just looked like it did. But not a big deal. Alright, the other cam.
Shiny Frankenstein heads on. Looking real nice. Kyle, you're moving along pretty quickly on this.
All right, 2007 C6Z. I believe this thing came in here bone stock. It got a full stage 3 package, so our heads cam package, 2-inch American Racing headers, Haltech 108 air intake, and we checked over some other stuff. I guess you had some concerns about the brakes and the trans and the clutch or something like that. Made 588, but it made 518 torque. Low on power, but torque is like good. I would think this thing should pick up like 140, so what did it baseline? 563 or 463? Okay, so I guess we're not far off. Generally 140 horsepower, so it should make right around 600, so which we can probably do. I was thinking it was low, but it baselined fairly low. There. Can you get 5 gallons of gas for this thing? It's like out. I'll be right back. He's gonna get some gas for this thing. .604, 522 torque. Pretty good. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna let it cool down over lunch, and then we'll be back. All right. I forgot this was recording. I had to warm it up. See what she makes cold. It's not even really cold. It's 180 degrees, but cooled down. Exactly the same. I'm gonna make one more. Literally, same horsepower and torque. 604, 522. .605, 520. But this thing got 36,000, almost 36,000 miles on it, but it's got fucking 90 pounds of oil pressure. And oil temp is 130, so obviously that'll go down a little bit once oil gets to like 180 or so, but still 90 pounds is, fucking love seeing that. Some of the ones that come in here don't even have like 50 pounds at wide open throttle, so. But other than that, fucking go Eagles, bro. Headed to the bowl. Later. Just realized that by the time this airs, the Super Bowl is probably going to be over. So we either won or we lost. One of those two outcomes. Hopefully we won. Later.